Good morning, children. Welcome back to Class 2 English, Lesson 5. Nani Walks to the Park, written by Deepa Balaswar. Here in this lesson, we will come across a boy called as Vikas and his Nani. What do you think Nani means? Nani means grandmother. I will read the lesson and explain it to you in detail. Once a week, Nani goes to the park. Today, Vikas wants to go with her. I walk slowly. I take my time to get there, says Nani. I don't mind, Nani, says Vikas. Here, what do you think is a week, children? A week is a period of 7 days. From Sunday to Saturday is called as a week. And what do you think is a park? Park is a large public garden in a town. Now, where is Nani going once a week? So, once in a week, Nani is going somewhere out. Where is she going? She is going to the park. Now, who is joining her today to go to the park? Now, Vikas. Vikas is telling that I will also come with you to the park. Till then, Granny will say that I will walk slowly. I will take a lot of time to go. I'm not in a hurry. I will go very slowly, Nani will say. Till then, Vikas is telling that I won't mind. I don't want to mind that, Granny. How you're walking, I will also walk with you very slowly. Okay, let's go, said Nani. She picks up her shopping bag and starts to cross the road. But Nani, says Vikas, the park is this way. We will go that way, says Nani, pointing ahead. Let's go through the lane of treasures. Now they both will get ready to go to the shopping. Now what will Granny do? Granny will take her shopping bag and they both will cross the road. Till then, the boy Vikas is telling that the park is not this way, Granny. The other way we should go to the park. Till then, Granny is telling, no, 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 we will go by this way itself. Why? Why is she saying that she have to go in the same way? Because she want to go through the lane. What do you think lane is? Lane means street. Street of what? Treasures. What do you think treasure means? Treasure means beautiful and valuable things. So, Granny wants to go through the lane or through the street where she can find beautiful and valuable things. Now, what is this lane of treasures? It is nothing but the wonderful name for the market given by this grandmother, where there are shops and you get lots of shops selling different things. Nani will stop here to buy milk and other things. When Nani finishes shopping, Vikas points to a gate. Shall we take a shortcut to the park, Nani? No, smiles Nani. We have to go through the lane of happiness first. Now what happened? Nani finished her shopping in the lane of the treasure. Till then, Vikas is telling, we will go to from the shortcut to the park. Till then, Granny is telling, no, 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 we can't do that. We should cross the lane of happiness now. So, which way they should go? They should go through the lane of happiness. Means they should go through the street of happiness. So, they walked ahead and turned left into a small lane. Nani stops and calls softly, come, come. Suddenly, dogs and cats tumble out from everywhere. Nani pours the milk into some bowls. Vikas laughs as the animals lick the bowl clean. Now what happened? Slowly they are going through a small street and Nani will stop there and will call, come, come. Who is coming now? Dogs and cats. They tumble out, means they roll out from all the directions. They come from all the directions. And then Nani will pour the milk into the bowl. And what will happen? The animals will start licking the milk from the bowl. Now Vikas is very happy to see the animals like dogs and cats. Then Nani and Vikas walk through a lane behind a school. They see many children laughing and playing. They are playing games like Langdi, Lagori, and Sakli. Is this the lane of noise? Asks Vikas, covering his ears. No, it's the lane of mischief. It makes me think of you and your friends, laughs Nani. Now they will slowly walk through a small street behind a little school. Why? Why are they going behind the school? Because Nani says that she can see many children. What will be the children doing there? The children will be laughing and they will be playing. And what type of games will they be playing there? They will be playing street games such as Langdi, Lagori and Sakli. And now Vikas is asking, is this your lane of noise, Granny? Because so much noise, the disturbance will be made by the children. So Vikas is asking, is this your lane of noise? Means street of noise. Till then Granny is telling, no, no, it is my lane of mischief. Mischief means of naughty behavior. And what does she thinks looking at those children? Looking at those children, Granny will think of Vikas and his friends. Have you named all the lanes in the city, Nani? Asks Vikas. Not all, smiles Nani. Only the ones that are important to me. Come, let's go to the lane of friendship. Now, the boy Vikas is asking his granny that, did you name all the streets in the city? Till then, Nani is telling that, no, dear, it's not the thing. I like to go to few places or to few streets which are important to me. Only for those streets I have given the names. So let's go to the lane of friendship, means to the street of friendship I will take you. Nani's friend lives in the lane of friendship. They were girls together and they have grown old together. Nani and her friend talk and laugh for some time. Then Nani hugs her friend and says goodbye. Now, here, why is Nani going to the street of friendship? Because her friend is there. They both had grown together and they are also old. And they talk to each other, they laugh for some time, and then Nani will hug her friend and will say goodbye to her, and they will come back. Come, Vikas, we will now walk through the lane of dreams, says Nani. The lane of dreams has more books than Vikas' school library. The bookseller sells old books for very little money. Nani buys some books and says, let's go. We are almost at the park now. Now, lane of dreams means street of dreams. What is there in this street? There are lots of books and the booksellers sell the old books for very little money. And Nani walks there and she will buy some books to read. And now Nani will say that let's go. We are almost at the park now. We are about to reach the park now. Nani and Vikas have to walk down the lane of magic to reach the park. Vikas looks up at the big shady trees and feels a cool breeze. The road is covered in red and yellow flowers. It looks like a magic carpet. Now, which is the street they are walking? They are walking in the street of magic. And what is there? There are lots of big and shady trees and also very cool breeze, or the wind is blowing very cooler there. And how is the road? Road is covered with red and yellow color flowers. And how it looks? It looks like a carpet, or it looks like a magic carpet. At last, they are at the park. Vikas thinks of all the people and places he has seen. I like your lanes, Nani, he says. Can I come with you next week too? Now, at last they reached the park, going through all the lanes or through all the streets. Now, at last they reached the park. Now, Vikas thinks of all the people and the places, whoever he has seen on his way walking with his granny. Now he is telling her that I like all your streets, Nani. I loved it. Can I come with you next week too? Now he is asking permission from grandmother, telling that can I come with you for the same walk for the next week? I love this walk through all your lanes. So, which are the lanes which the Nani used to walk and go once in a week? It is the lane of treasure. It is a name for the market. And lane of happiness to meet the dogs and the cats. Lane of mischief to meet the children. Lane of friendship to meet her friend. Lane of dreams to buy books. And lane of magic. It is a walk to the park. Hope all have understood the lesson, children. Thank you.